Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a virtual audio driver like Black Hole, then open Audio MIDI Setup and build an aggregate device combining your physical interface and the virtual driver. Once done, set that aggregate device as Logic's output and your hardware as the input. This ensures Logic can send mixed audio to the virtual driver while still receiving mic inputs. Make sure sample rates match across devices and enable the aggregate clock source on your primary interface to avoid drift. This step is the foundation for stable live routing. Now craft your live mix inside Logic. Put each mic on its own track and route backing tracks to dedicated channels. Send the channels you want on stream to a bus and create an aux channel that outputs to the virtual driver Black Hole. Disable Logic's software monitoring for live mics, rely on direct monitoring if your interface provides it, and enable low latency mode to reduce delay while using inserts only where necessary. Adjust I/O buffer to 64 or 128 samples to balance CPU use and responsiveness. Finish by opening your streaming app OBS and adding Black Hole as an audio input capture device. This grabs the Logic aux output as the stream's audio. Once connected, test levels while watching OBS meters and tweak the aux send or master gain in Logic until clean. Do a short record to confirm audio stays in sync with video. Make small buffer or latency adjustments if needed. If audio disappears or is distorted, first confirm matching sample rates, then check the aggregate device and relaunch OBS or Logic if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.